Historically, a record day for Shiba Inu Day. Shiba Eternity sets records, the new game that was released from Shiba Inu in the PlaySide studios, and it brought some downloading records. And look at this, new holders was increased today from SHIB Army. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's dive into this content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, the Shiba Eternity by Shiba Inu and PlaySide Studios has already managed to bring obvious marketing success to its creators, with the number of SHIB holders increasing by 2,220 in a day after its launch. Now, this brings the number of addresses holding at least one Shiba Inu token to a new all-time high of 2.1 million holders, actually 2,193,520. Now, and that's according to Crypto Eye or Crypto Eye. Now look at this here. This indirectly confirms by the number of downloads of Shiba Eternity. The free-to-play card game has already hit the App Store in some regions, and the number of downloads on Google Play exceeds 10,000 in a day. That's pretty outstanding, and it's very early in this process. Now, in total stats, the number of SHIB holders has increased by 171,763 since July, where 104,200 have been added only since the beginning of September, ladies and gentlemen. Now, as reported by you today, a sharp increase in the number of SHIB holders took place from September 11th, when more than 90,000 new SHIB wallets appeared in the following 2 weeks. The standard growth of the weekly growth rate for new Shiba Inu tokens holders is no more than 10,000. That's pretty outstanding. SHIB Eternity sets historically records for this historic day. Shiba Inu, let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's here, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video.